well, okay.
Okay, well, then, Lorne, that's a nice beat, yes. But, do me a favor. Have someone with him so one person gets shooed away and he lets him in, you know?
Yeah, but Dave, I don't know whether that would make sense.
I would have to go through that whole dialogue of you on the list and stuff like that.
Yeah, you know what I mean? It's.
Could he be there, like where you are, and John's checking the thing and says, "Go in"? I don't want to wait for a big entrance up the card.
Okay. Stay in. When we come up, you be checking down the list. So you stop
Just
right
if
in.
you've just given your name, and now he's saying, "Oh yeah, you can go in."
I know you know, but I'm saying it's.
We won't have a big hello.
Yeah.
Okay. How's it going?
And also, right at the top too, as this is going on, Charlie and Garrett can be heading out too.
Yeah, that's Stuart, Charlie, and Garrett.
Why don't you say something's getting nuts, isn't it, or something like that?
I'll just say, I've already done that.
Maybe it wouldn't make sense that he wouldn't get in, but it might make sense that he's leaving a name on the list.
He gets in.
No, I.
No, he can get in. See, Lorne, what I'm getting at is, I can't take dialogue right at the top.
No, and I'm saying that can be gestured in the sense of like, you know.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I don't mean that, but just going over the thing and saying, yeah.
Well, he knows the band. I mean, he knows.
No, I know, but he just wants something to set the watch up.
All right, it's like you're telling me two people that are going to come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm walking in.
Right.
Hi, Steve. How you doing?
Okay, Stuart and Charlie and me and Garrett. Sure.
All right, go ahead. Hey, how's it going?
Danny.
Hey, Charlie, what's happening? Hey, how's it going? Hold it. Wait a minute.
Hey, I'm with the Stones, man.
I'm on, you on the guest list?
No, man, I'm the driver, man. What you talking about, man?
Then if you're their limo driver, then stand behind the barricade and don't hang out here. Goodbye.
Charlie,
Sure.
come on up and just motion him in.
Sure. It's all right? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Pardon me. Thank you.
Okay, there are too many people back here. If you are wearing the limited backstage passes, we have seats reserved for you under the stage.
Hey, you, Charlie? The Stones want some matches.
Yeah.
Danny,
And,
stay back a little. I know
And,
you're helping, but...
Charlie, we'll be keeping these, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Oh, hey, right. Charlie wants some matches. See, I can't see the other line. Where's the top of that? Because I see wants some matches. Who wants some matches?
Hey, Charlie, what's
Hey,
in there?
you. Hey, you. Charlie wants some matches.
Yeah.
Yes, and we'll be keeping these. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. Don Kirschner, Jerry Aldini, and his pretty lady Irene Farley. Are the Stones inside there? Sorry, I don't see your name on the list.
Are you kidding? Kirschner and Eldini are not on the list?
Nope.
Oh, this is funny, Jerry.
I can't believe that this is happening to Jerry Eldini. I'm sorry.
Wait a minute, Keith. Jerry Aldini, Polysutra Records. Met you on the Minneapolis tour, 72. How you doing? You know Don Kirschner.
Hi, Keith. I still think you're one of the most dynamic performers in show business.
So you, baby.
Thank you.
Listen, Keith.
It says here.
Listen, Keith, Don and I, now get this. Don and I have plans underway for a month-long rock marathon to open the new Afrodome in Salisbury, Rhodesia. Headlining, get this. You and Richie Havens.
When? I mean, when?
Right.
That's it. We're talking February here.
Paul.
Yes.
We'll
hold that, man.
Show us a little bit, like trying to get in at his ear. It'll help me open up his face a little and speak differently.
And Paul, hand on shoulder, and Billy touch.
Shall I pull up the bit?
Yeah, a lot of touching.
A lot of touching.
Oh, now you're talking.
Keith, we're talking.
Right.
Cigarettes?
This is the best one.
Can we get a shot of this?
Okay.
Why not? I said, why not?
Headlining, get this. Richie Havens.
When?
We're talking February here.
February, I go to Switzerland to get my blood changed.
Okay, all right. Come on right in, Keith. Go ahead. Now look, you guys, Your backstage, your passes will give you a reserved seat under the stage. That way. Goodbye.
Send them out the other way, John.
That way?
No, it's that way.
Okay, that way. Goodbye. Keith doesn't do the business anyway. Let's corner Mick afterwards. You want us to stop right here? Or for here?
Just before you make it look like in front of him, you're going to let John.
That way. Goodbye. Yeah, we'll play tough to move. Okay, I get it. Keith does not do the business. Oh! We'll corner Mick.
Lamp on the 468 on. Toggle out center key.
Okay, hey, Woody. Hey, you looking good?
Thanks a lot, man.
Hey, say, listen, you know, we've been up for 2 days now, setting up equipment. I'm beginning to drag, you know, I feel kind of down. I wish you could get a little something to perk me up, you know what I mean? You know?
Okay, be right back.
Gotcha, right. Okay.
Hey, you got a badge?
Here you go, big boy. Pure Columbia.
Thank you. I always like to have a little something to pick me up after the show. All right. Okay, I drink it. Okay, gee, thanks. All right, there are too many people. Please move away from here if you're not part of the crew. Come on.
Are the Rolling Stones in there?
Are you on the list?
No, but I wrote random notes for Rolling Stone, and I bore Bill Wyman's triplets.
Get out of here. Bill Wyman's... Oh, there he is now. Hey, Bill. Let's clear this up now.
Oh, Bill, it's me, Starnit, remember?
No.
Oh, no, don't you remember backstage in LA, 75 tour?
No.
No, Bill. Don't you remember when I pulled out the fire extinguisher in the hotel and slammed the door on Billy Preston's fingers, right?
I don't know.
Oh, no, come on. Remember when I dressed up 16 salamanders and put kitty litter in jumpsuits?
Lorraine, he's trying to get past you. You're making it too easy for him. Hang
I
on.
think it's wrong. I think he's trying to be polite.
But yeah, but still, it's maybe.
Okay, forget it.
Lorraine, hang on to him just a little.
Yeah, you got to kind of push me back or something.
Yeah.
No, don't hang on. Just sort of hold
What
me
I'm
back.
trying to do, I think, Bill, is I'm trying to turn you around a little more to the camera.
Oh, the camera. Just get open up there.
Well, maybe he should go past me and
On this way, yeah.
Great, try that, yes.
All right. Maybe on the first line when he says no. Remember me, Star Nips?
Yes, that's nice, Lorraine. That's
Cross me. Remember me, Star Nips?
No.
Oh,
No.
wait. Bill,
You got to pull me back.
remember the backstage LA tour 1975?
No.
No, remember, come on. I took out the fire extinguisher in the hotel and slammed the door on Billy Preston's fingers. Come on. Don't you remember when I dressed up 16 salamanders in little jumpsuits and put kitty litter in your bed?
All right, yeah. Come on.
All right.
Come in.
Now, John, just a note, during that, can you back off a little and give them the scene there and then come in again to it, you know?
Fine. Do they have to wait in here?
No girls in the dress.
All right, Franken.
Okay.
Hold it now. Wait just a second.
So it's their line, and then John doesn't have any lines after his last line. Is that right, John?
Huh?
They have the line, and then it's my next. I have the next line.
Who's got a line?
Yes, John. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Come on, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta be down low. You can't, I'm shooting right off the top unless you stay down low.
Okay, fine.
Wait a minute. Why?
Got it. Okay.
Bam.
I'll open up the phone.
I can jump off the here. He wants you to start low.
Yeah, easy. Don't worry. You'll have it.
That's it, Al. That works. Okay.
Oh, where?
That's exactly right. That's good.
Up there. Oh, there. Okay. Well, I can jump. Oh, he doesn't never mind. I'm sorry. Stadium
How do we
goes
get him
up,
on
he's
here?
Yeah, right. Okay, you want me to just come down?
Wait a minute now, Frank.
Okay. Al, don't worry about the shot. Let's go. Dave, are you ready for Al?
Just 1 second.
Okay.
Boys, why don't we stop? The people that are in front of the cyclone fence, they were frozen.
Yeah.
It looks strange. I'd rather have those people who are bunched up behind the cyclone fence.
Dave, are you criticizing Peter Rudge?
No.
Was it him in particular?
Okay, all right. How did you get here?
Well, I said, you know, whatever you said, you jumped in. I jumped in, I guess.
Okay, do the move for me then, will you?
I'm from up there. All right, I made it in. All right, fire out. Rock and roll. Hey, man. Oh, here they are. Hey, Bill. Hey, Charlie. Yeah. Hey, give me. Yeah. Good.
That's a great. Rosie, you've got to stay back if you are, you're blocking them. Just during this sequence in here, you know?
Woo!
Franken, okay, you just dropped down.
Okay.
Okay, and...
All right, I got it in. Far out. All right, rock and roll. Rock and roll. Woo! Oh, hey, there they are. Hey, Bill. Hey, Charlie. Hey, do Midnight Rambler, okay? Do that tonight. All right. Woo! Woo!
Get this guy out of here.
Out. Hey, come on, man. I need
All right, now I don't want to see anybody without an orange plasticized pass here, the trailer, or any. Oh, what do I do? You have to help them carry him up, and it should be faster than that. It should be, he shouldn't even get the line up. You know, do my Midnight Rambler. It should just grab.
I felt like I was here.
Okay, faster than that. And you see this.
Come on out again.
Paul.
Johnny, when they take them off, let's go a little further that way. All right, I'll be now.
John, have the guards take Franken out again, and let me see Billy sneaking in behind you when that happens.
All right.
Hey, do Midnight Rambler. Hey.
Come on.
Oh, come on, man. I hitchhiked.
Look, then, unless you have anybody without the orange plasticized pass here, I don't want them here in the trailer anywhere, and I say, hey, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, Dr. Bob.
Oh, it's all right. I wish you'd given me a little more notice.
Tommy, you got to hold it up a little more so I see what the heck it is.
Hold it like this.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay.
Look, here's the angle. Tom, see the angle over here?
Oh, sorry, Dr. Bob, I didn't know it was you.
I don't see it.
Okay, you want me to walk in front of Belushi like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you got the cylinder hidden.
You go this way, and I'll turn him around. Okay? I'll turn him around.
I could be like this.
All right, well, you figure that out tomorrow. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, you go by me. I'll turn him around. I go, hey, wait a minute. Oh, hi, Dr. Bob. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. You didn't give me much notice, but I made it.
Hey, I'd like to talk to you later, you know, man.
Oh, have you got some cash?
Yeah, I know I owe you, but I'll call you covered.
Okay. Would you like it? Hey!
All right, no, really. I understand. Okay, maybe after the show? Okay, after the show we'll talk. Mick, the dude I was looking for. Hello. All right, there you go.
Goodbye.
Oh,
Where's Rhonda?
Where'd Stan?
Right here.
Oh, hi. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's my line.
Dave, to cover this move, maybe Billy can just go on a little more to Mick before Gilda comes in. So that'll give time to clear.
Yes, understand.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you have Mick, just the dude I want to talk to.
I'm going to do the same rap I did before.
Okay, do it exactly the same.
the same. Okay, come on over here. We'll do it.
All right.
Okay. So, all right, so we're like this. Maybe after the show. After the show. Mick! Just the dude I wanted to talk to. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Jerry Aldini,
Hi.
Irene Farley, his pretty
Excuse me,
lady.
just
Hi.
I'm sorry. Let them have a moment
He
here. and-
forced me, Dan.
Oh, no, I'm just saying, let them.
Well, let's surround him, sort of, okay? So you stay here on this corner, like,
Okay.
and
Which is
where
where I
am I
was.
going? I'll go all the way around him, and we'll get him like this.
Yeah.
He'll be there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Name them now, okay?
What do you think? Yeah.
Get his profile. He's got his profile.
But all over, hands all over.
Yes, we just surround him and touch him.
Everyone touch him.
Right.
It's disgusting.
Yes.
It's horrible.
Touch him low. Okay. All right. Hey, Mick! Just the dude I've been meaning to talk to. Hi. Jerry Aldini, Polysutra.
Kiss me. Try and kiss me.
Polysutra Records.
nice
His
to
pretty
meet you.
lady,
Hi.
Jean Farley. You know Don Kirschner. I think.
Hi, I'm Rhonda Weiss, Monster Dome Public Relations. Mr. Jagger, we know you'd like to meet the artist who's performing here tomorrow night. Mr. Liberace, here he is to say hello. Say hello.
Hi, Mick. I just wanted to come by and I wish you all the luck in the world.
Well, I got a line here. Thank you. Do you want to jam us later?
I love to come up and
More
tickle around.
jokes.
I know how tight your show is, you know.
Well, think about it anyway. We'll at least stay for the show, darling.
Oh, yes, we've arranged for Mr. Liberace to have his favorite seat.
Right under the stage. Couldn't be better.
Oh, by the way, Mick, I just want to say I think you're very exciting. I hope you'll come.
Gilda, the camera's over here.
Oh. Okay.
Oh,
by
George,
the
too.
by the
I'll
way,
buy
Mick,
that.
I just want to say you're very exciting, and I hope you'll come to the Monster Dome guest courtesy party in the auditorium under the loading subcomplex after the show.
I wouldn't miss it for anything.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the LA Monster Dome is proud to present the Rolling Stones.
All right, that's it. I want everybody out of here. This whole area in front of the stage door should be cleared. The group is coming out right through here, and I don't want anybody in the...
Thanks a lot. It was like the bridge
Come on, Johnny, let's do the elephant. We'll end up something like this. Oh, God.
Dave?
Ah,
Hi, you're still here.
Hello.
Good.
I ain't good enough. It all falls together. I didn't even clear everybody there. What happened was they were going through something on.